Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the new video for Amazon Web Services Solution Architect Associate Level Exam. In this video, we will see how to do version control on AWS S3 bucket. And for this, I have to log on to the Amazon console and take it from there. Okay, this is the user ID and password I mentioned in my password. I click on Don't Save. Recently visited services, it will show you up here. Click on S3. I have to create a bucket here. Let me just quickly create a bucket. Test Asia Pacific. Click on create rather than going on to those option again. I'm picking up the default options. I am here. When you click on the properties of your bucket, you click on versioning. When you enable the versioning, click on save. The versioning is enabled. Now if you want to know more about it, you can directly click on that option. It says versioning enables you to keep multiple versions of an object in one bucket. So you keep multiple objects, multiple versions of the same object that is holding into the bucket. Let's say I click on here, this file, click on upload. Right. So the version, if I created a version, it says if I click on show versions, it says the version ID is this and this was done this. So let's say if this file got changed, I make some changes in that file, that would show me another version of this file as well. I open up that file. Hi, this is a new version. If I hide it, if I click show here, see I have the latest version of the file here. So if you open this storage class, this now, and if you go to this bucket, it has the latest version. So the old file would not be overridden or renamed, but it will have the version, but you'll have to click on show, otherwise it will be Mr. Bill, only that file name, because that would override this. But you will have two success here, that this was uploaded, right? And now if you want to disable the versioning, click on properties. Versioning is enabled, click on it. You can do suspend the versioning, click on save. And that is how to keep the different versions of the single file. You would enable the versioning on the S3 bucket level, not on the folder level. So I hope you understood the concept of versioning on the Amazon S3 bucket level, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, mention in the feedback in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead.